My name is Or, and I'm the owner of a company called Wicked Cushions. At Wicked Cushions, we pride ourselves at making the world's sexiest, most comfortable replacement earbuds in the world! We didn't even connect the microphone, you ass. Hey everyone, my name is Or, and I run wickedcushions.com. At Wicked Cushions, we pride ourselves at making the most unique looking, most comfortable earpads on earth. The headphones that we deal with the most every day are Bose, Beats by Dre, Sony, Technica, HyperX, and SteelSeries, but it doesn't stop right there, and we keep expanding our line as time goes by. Through the process of running wickedcushions.com, I get to deal with the world's most popular headphones. And while you'll find mostly how-to videos in our channel, it doesn't stop right there. I have many opinions on all of these headphones, and once in a while you'll see a review for every new headphones that comes out, and some old ones that have been out for a while. Thank you for stopping by our channel. Watch our videos and let us know if we helped you in any way. If you're a customer of ours, we really appreciate you, and we really hope that we can continue serving you in the future. Thank you again for watching our channel.